Hello, my name is John Frey. I am on the next to the question from the Chisel workshop. Insight number one. From my field of view, inferencias de chistes, el naivo vio for problem the chiste mobile in Colombia. As they go generating in information for decision making, then design on the public policies that the people call it online. Insight number two. For me to use inferencias de chistes desde center my academic background in the industrial engineering career. To render and reward on the rare and my prediction including a world population based on sample. Thank you so much.